Hello my alien students, welcome back. So first I'm going to teach you some basics or foundations on how to draw 3D modeling. Okay, there are different types. This video will be a long video, so I would like you to sit back, enjoy this beautiful class. Okay, we want to create what? A box. We're going to learn all these tools or commands. Okay, so first method is click a box. Any comments? We want to start, what we'll be doing, I'll teach you something, you'll learn a lot of things. Okay, type 0, 0, 0, isn't it? Then what you can do is move your mouse. Let's say I need the length to be 150. Okay, tab. What happened? Yeah, that's the length, isn't it? Width, let's say I need to be also 150, and the height also, let's say 150. Any comments? So this is one method of drawing it. Okay, this is what from the center we started 0, 0, 0, length, width, height, isn't it? If you check properties, everything is there. Okay, excellent. Okay, another method is, and just delete it, repeat the command, previous command, let's erase. Okay, box, we're going to start a 0, 0, 0. Any comments? Type. Now the story is as follows. If you move your mouse this way, okay, it is going minus x, isn't it? Let's say we type 150. Any comments? Enter. Then what? Sorry, we did this, and y is positive. We just did one mistake. Okay, listen, I'll do it again. Yeah, from where do I want to start? 0, 0, 0. Perfect. Okay, what's the length? We said we need to go minus, so we are going minus. You see, the red is actually, it is going minus, but length can never be negative, isn't it? We moved our mouse back, and let's say 150. Okay, then press tab and then 150. Any comments? And then you're happy with the dimensions, press enter and then go up. How much? Let's say 150. Okay, is this clear? Okay, this is step 1 as option, method 1 or method 2. Okay, we want another method where in the center, from the center it should go like this. Same story. Type box. From where? Center. Center has to be 0, 0, 0. Any comments? Okay, now what's the total length? Let's say we need 150. I did again another mistake, sorry. Sorry. Center. Okay, I hope you get the picture what I am trying to do, isn't it? Okay, so let's suppose you keep it in conceptual, easier, less memory, less space, isn't it? Or if you want hidden line, draw hidden line. If you want shaded, draw shaded, isn't it? You want 2D wireframe, do 2D wireframe. Hidden looks better, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class on how to draw boxes. Next class we'll move forward, we'll start the next thing called as cylinders. Okay, anyway, take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.